Now in a first, India's Sajan Prakash has qualified for the Olympics with A qualification in the men's 200-meter butterfly event. Let's take a quick look at the Tokyo-bound Prakash's story.
This is Sajan Prakash, India's first ever swimming entry to Tokyo Olympics.
It feels to be great. To know that I'm the first Indian to do it. We certainly worked hard for this moment from the last 3 years, and my heart feels great that we have finally made it at the last moment.
But this did not come easy to him. Born in the Kerala town of Iriki, Prakash, an inspector for the Kerala Police Department, sustained a major neck injury in December 2019. Following that and the COVID-19 pandemic infused nationwide lockdown, he was forced out of water for 8 months.
The main challenge was that in 2019 December I got injured. I had a slip disc on my neck and I had a shoulder injury. With that I was out of the water for 5 months. And that's when, after 5 months, exactly the lockdown came in. And from December till July, I was not able to swim or do any workouts in the pool. So I was mostly away for 8 months than the other people.
The 2016 Rio Olympic, who began his swimming career at the age of 5, owes his astounding comeback to his hard work and his coach's constant support.
I think from then to building it now, I think the coach has played a huge role in that building it, and I must really thank him for that. So the injury was the biggest challenge for me with the lockdown.
Sajan Prakash is now looking forward to make the country proud at the Tokyo Olympics, set to take off on July 23rd.
And I am trying to hope to qualify for the final if everything goes well. And that would be first time for India, but I'm not keeping you in the loop for expectations, but I'm just having a realistic goal, and being consistent is the key.
From an injury that threatened to almost end his Olympic dream to making a phenomenal comeback, Sajan Prakash's story is an inspiration to many. Bureau Report, Republic TV.